Hey peeps, I'm going to upload two vlogs. It's a two-part series, 5 minutes long, so it's going to be short and spicy. I hope you guys like it. It's just a twist, basically. Just bringing out my sense of humor and my creative side. I hope you guys like it. It's kind of funny to me. As you see me a laugh already, that means I enjoy it because it's really, I think it's really entertaining and funny. Just get a little twist to the things that I can do and me being creative. So the vlog is about to start now, so I hope you enjoy, people. I'm out. Vlog about today, pond life. What it is like to live in a pond. Alright? So I do some interview with the turtles. Um, some snakes. I see probably alligator in there. So I got have a kind of one-on-one with the alligator as well. And see, you know, how they go about life on a day-to-day basis. Um, what is their main food source? Those little stuff that these creatures do. In their habitat. I think there's a few snakes. You can kind of see me look down every minute. 'Cause, look down every minute because the water, you see things that move out of the water. I see Ted the turtle over there, so I see Ted. I think Nemo and him family them there as well. So yeah, I can see if we can get it going and do a little interview and stuff and see how best we can get because yeah, you have a little habitat. So I'm gonna go into the footage now. Um, and see. I can't really go on. And then we take a little dive and go Atlantis. Because from right here, say you can reach Atlantis from right here, so in the middle. They show the middle over there. So right over there, so the middle part there, so over there, so yeah, you can actually see a little bit of Atlantis over there, so I kind of go see how best me can reach Atlantis and talk to the king for Atlantis and see what can go on. So yeah, yeah. So I see couple of Nemo friend them right here. So see them a swim around a little bit. Yeah. So what go on for the business? What go on for the business?
You know how we roll, we just swimming around, we just eating. People come by and they show bread and stuff, so
Oh, that's good, man. That's really nice. Oh, and getting on a food source and from humans too.
yeah, sometimes they try to catch us, but we're too swift. They try to ambush us, with their rods and stuff and try to trick us with worm. But we're smarter than them. We smarter, we smart. We know what's up.
Oh, okay. Oh, so that them been doing and stuff like that. I never know. So how much on the brother and sister them all up?
Well, it's a couple of us, like a couple hundred of us. They caught us, but you're strong. They can't get us all. So we're just here having fun, enjoying these marsh and stuff like that. We have a nice little playground and stuff. So it's just the best. We're having fun. So when they come around, we just have to swim away and hide. So
Oh, okay. So on appearance day. Cause my only soon now swim around on appearance just left in the wild like that.
yeah, they're doing adult stuff. Pretty much having more of my brothers and sisters, cause I have a long line of brothers and sisters. So when mommy lay her egg, daddy fertilizing and stuff. So I have like 100 and 200 brothers and sisters. So it's a lot of us. So yeah.
Oh, cool. So much on so me can't get couple of your sister and you know you don't know a couple of your sister and your cousin them and them thing there. Well, me have to sign a contract with your peers them and thing.
Well, we have to hear what mom and dad has to say about it, you know? We don't want to get in any trouble.
Alright, I understand still. Yeah man, I don't know so me I go link them and thing and hear what go on and then you know only can make me know what go on still. But yeah man, enjoy a little self and things see me. Don't know. Alright, so yeah, so that was the first interview with Nima and him friend. I will say if I find Ted, if I not find Ted, um, you know, I have to just work with Nima again and things, but I go try and see if I can find Ted, down here so a little bit and so I go on for Ted.